So this first slime is black with gold glitter in it. And this other slime is this green slime. It's like a foggy clear. Then I have this jiggly pearly pink slime with glitter in it. I have this yellow slime and it feels weird, so. Then I have this purple slime with a couple foam beads and some rubber bands. I have this pink slime with these little beads in it. So it makes it kind of crunchy, but not really. I have this purple slime, and it's fluffy and has red and gold glitter in it. And it's kind of pearly, so I really like it. Credits, Trigger Bear Nightcore.